welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I love sandwiches, I love tuna, so I'm going to show you how I make my favorite tuna melt sandwich. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me thank all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything. And don't forget to click on that notification bell, just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So let me first get started by chopping up all of the ingredients I'm going to need for my tuna. And just keep in mind, you guys, this is not a exact measurement. You can put as much or as little ingredients as you want for your tuna. It all depends on what you like. So I'm not going to use this whole entire onion, but I am going to chop up 2 tablespoons of onions, and I'm going to put this in my tuna salad. And I really love adding red onions to my tuna, so I'm going to go ahead and chop up 2 tablespoons of red onions, and I'm going to add this to my tuna salad as well. And so now I'm ready to chop up 2 tablespoons of some celery. And I think between the onions and the celery, I really love the texture, you know, the crunchiness that it brings to the salad. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and chop up some celery. And now I'm going to chop and add 1 garlic clove, and this garlic clove was so huge I had to split it in half and then chop the rest and put this in the tuna salad. But I love garlic. It's one of my favorite ingredients. I love to add it in most of my dishes, and of course I'm going to add it to my tuna salad. Okay, so now I'm ready to add my tuna, and I'm going to use 1 5-ounce can and 1 12-ounce can of tuna. And I usually like to use the tuna that's packed in water, not the tuna that's packed in vegetable oil. It's a little bit too greasy for me. So yeah, I'm just going to put it in a bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and break it up with a fork. So I'm ready to start adding the ingredients to the tuna. So I'm going to start off with 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. And again, you guys, this is not an exact recipe. You can use as much or as little mayonnaise as you like. And now I'm ready to add my onions in no particular order. Start off with the brown onions and now the red onions, along with the celery and the chopped garlic. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of some sweet relish. And at the very end, I'm just going to season it with some sea salt and some black pepper. So my tuna is all done with just a few simple ingredients, and I'm just going to take a fork and just mix everything, making sure that everything is combined really well. And this is what it looks like. So let's go over and start building our sandwich. So I always like to spray down my pan with some nonstick spray just so that nothing, sticks. And I'm going to go ahead and melt some butter, and this is going to help to grill the sandwich when I make my tuna melt. And of course you can use whatever bread that you like, but today I'm going to use some sourdough bread, and I love using this bread whenever I make a tuna melt. And before I head on over to the stove, I'm going to take out 2 slices, and what you want to do is you want to spread butter on one side of each slice of bread, and the butter is what's really going to help the bread to become yummy and golden brown when you cook it. And as you can see, I'm just going to take the butter side and I'm going to lay it down on the pan, and my heat is at medium low because you don't want the sandwich to cook too fast. And now while the bread is grilling, I'm going to go ahead and add the tuna on top of the bread. And you guys, you can add as much or as little as you like. This recipe can make around 4 tuna melt sandwiches. So yeah, like I said, you could just add as much as you like. And here at the very end, I'm going to add 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. And now I'm going to put the other slice of bread on top, leaving the butter side on the outside, and I'm going to let this grill between 3 and 5 minutes. So I'm ready to flip over my tuna melt, and look how beautiful and golden brown that is. And I love using mozzarella cheese because I think it melts beautifully. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this go and grill for another 3 to 5 minutes. So my tuna melt is all done. Look how beautiful and golden brown it looks. And you know, the butter that I spread on the bread is going to add another level of flavor when you bite into it, and you can enjoy it while it's nice and hot, either for lunch or dinner. It's a great sandwich, you guys. You should absolutely give it a try. But that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.